Hello, aspiring students and parents. Does studying for exams feel like climbing an endless mountain? You spend countless hours poring over every chapter, every detail, trying to memorize the entire textbook, only to feel overwhelmed and uncertain about what truly matters. It's exhausting and often not very effective. But what if there was a powerful principle used in business and economics that could revolutionize your study habits? What if you could achieve 80% of your exam result by focusing on just 20% of your study material? This is the power of the Pareto principle 80-20 rule in studying. So, today we are unlocking a profound secret to efficient learning, that is the Pareto principle 80-20 rule in studying. So, in this video, you'll learn what the Pareto principle is and its counterintuitive application to academic success, why 80% of your exam results come from 20% of your study material, how to identify that critical 20%, the high impact areas that truly drive your scores, and crucial actionable strategies to focus your energy strategically, achieving better results with less overwhelm. Well, this is about studying smarter and not just longer or harder. So, our default study strategy is often to try and memorize everything. We treat every chapter, every topic, every detail as equally important. This leads to inefficiency, that is, spending valuable time on low impact material. Overwhelm and stress, the sheer volume of information creates immense anxiety, making it hard to focus. Shallow learning, when you try to learn everything, you often learn nothing deeply. Knowledge becomes superficial and easily forgotten. Limited retention, your brain struggles to prioritize and consolidate information if everything is given equal weight. This memorize everything trap is exhausting and it often leads to lower than deserved scores. The Pareto principle, which is also known as the 80-20 rule, states that roughly 80% of effects come from 20% of the causes. In studying, this means 80% of your exam results will likely come off 20% of the study material. The vital few versus the trivial many. There are a few core concepts, foundational principles, and frequently tested topics that yield the vast majority of points. The rest, while present in the textbook, are trivial many in terms of immediate exam impact. You get the biggest bang for your buck, maximizing your score with efficient effort. Leverage your time. You free up precious time and mental energy from low impact material, reducing overwhelm and allowing for deeper engagement where it truly matters. So, this isn't about being lazy, it's about being strategically smart and effective. How do you identify that critical 20% of high impact material? Review past exams and quizzes because this is gold. What concepts were heavily tested? What types of problems appeared repeatedly? Look for patterns in questions and topics. Consult your teacher or professor. Ask them directly, what are the most crucial concepts for the upcoming exam? What topics should I know inside out? Are there any areas students typically struggle with that are heavily weighted? Analyze textbook structure and chapter summaries. Often, textbooks, especially for competitive exams, will implicitly highlight key concepts in chapter titles, learning objectives, or end of chapter summaries. Focus on core principles and fundamental concepts. Identify the foundational ideas upon which all other knowledge in the subject is built. So, if you understand these deeply, you can deduce other information. Prioritize concepts with high practice problem density. If a concept has many practice problems associated with it, it's likely a high impact area. Review syllabus or learning objectives. The official syllabus of learning or learning objectives explicitly state the most important concepts students are expected to master. So, this critical 20% is your blueprint for strategic studying. Moving further, so once you have identified your critical 20%, here's how to apply the 80-20 rule effectively. Deep mastery of the 20%. So don't just skim it, achieve profound understanding and mastery of this high impact material. Know it inside out. This includes conceptual understanding, problem solving application, and being able to explain it simply like the Feynman technique. Active recall and spaced repetition. Consistently test yourself on the score 20%. Use flashcards, self quizzing, or teach the concepts to someone else. Review it periodically over time to cement it in the long term memory. Strategic practice problems. Focus on practicing problems related to the score 20%. Ensure that you can solve various types of problems within these high impact areas. Minimize distractions. When you are studying this crucial 20%, eliminate all the distractions to maximize your focus and cognitive processing. Allocate remaining time wisely. After mastering the 20%, if time allows, you can then move on to the next most important 20% and so on. And this is where Wisdomy's personalized online tutoring can be your ultimate guide in applying the Pareto principle. Our expert tutors specialize in helping students identify the critical 20% of high impact concepts for any exam, guiding them to achieve deep mastery of this core material through targeted individualized instruction, fostering active recall and problem solving skills for efficient and effective study, providing the expert support that allows students to learn smarter and not just harder, maximizing their exam results. So, Wisdomy helps you focus your brilliance. You can explore its impact by booking a free trial class, and the link is right there in the description below. So, the Pareto Principle 80-20 rule is a game changer for studying. By shifting from the overwhelming task of memorizing everything to strategically identifying and mastering that crucial 20% of high impact material, you unlock incredible efficiency. You reduce stress, deepen understanding, and significantly boost your exam results. So, stop studying longer and start studying smarter. So, study smarter and not harder. Book a free consultation with Wisdomy's academic strategist today. We help you identify the critical 20%, master concepts deeply, and ace your exams with efficiency. So visit wisdomy.com to book your free consultation now. Your pathway to academic excellence awaits.